Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing and Mealtime. When I came home Sunday, I was so exhausted. I folded up my cart, put it over by the clothing rack, and now somewhere, I hope it's in the pile of stuff bigger than the one in Close Encounters and the Third Kind. I can't find my cane. Went bed tiny one, filmed tiny one, filmed kittens by the creek, came back, walked all the way back to tiny one, no cane. And I have a cane by the door. It's my emergency cane, but I have no tip. It's exposed metal. And there used to be shops in San Francisco that sold cane parts like tips. I can't find one. All right, this is Pittsburgh. I got some Pittsburgh Unboxing and Mealtime. Mama Cat is in the house. She is enjoying her kitty bed. She loves the kitty bed. I got some free food. We have bills, Capital One, Amazon, Macy's, and Healthy Living, which I'm tempted to pay off, $63.12. So there's the mail, and we have a package. Now, I always knew the English were big into gardening. This says here, the gluttonous gardener. Now, I'm not sure what a gluttonous gardener would be. Did you start eating weeds? Did you start eating vegetables, fruit, plants? The English love to garden. They love cats. And most English love their flag and their country. But it's criminal that the mayor of London now put a Pakistani flag over Westminster Abbey. Really horrible. A Christian country being taken over by Islamist and a pro-Islamist king and a pro-Islamist Prime Minister. Starmer needs to go. All right, and he lives somewhere. I don't know where this is, so I'm not going to say. All right, we have a card first. Oh my God. I hope your birthday is out of this world. Kathy called me asking about fireflies. I'm literally in the middle of the street where the phone rings. I'm going, let me get out of the street. Then she started interrupting when we talk. Okay, dear George, hello from Britain. Billy Elliot, Pizza Pony, PA. Hope you're keeping well. It would be great if you bought a Switch 2 and you did gaming videos with Kathy. I'm not going to buy a Switch 2. I don't have the money. If I buy anything, it will be a new iPad or the MacBook Geo. And I just found a Neo, not Geo. I'm thinking Geo for some reason. Just saw a video where the device gives you Thunderbolt ports. You can put a 4 terabyte hard drive in it and use with the MacBook Neo. That'd be cool. Okay, I really miss your live videos. Well, I did one over the weekend, did one today. Hope you have a great birthday. It's a little early, like by, let's see, 35 days early. And Kathy spoils you. Well, I don't know. The only thing I want for my birthday is a new mop. Okay, I'd love to ask you a couple of questions. Have you thought of coming out of retirement and becoming an Army sergeant? No, I don't think the U.S. Army will take me. I'm physically too screwed up, and I'm 73 years old. Now, maybe, if I got super rich, I could buy my own island and make myself the general of generals, but no. I read online you used to be, I can't read this, pro WWE wrestler? They must be joking. I've been to WWF wrestling before they had to change it to E, but do I miss the wrestling? Yeah, I went to wrestling in Sacramento. But not having cable, I don't get to watch it. I'm not going to pay $8 million for WrestleMania 97 or whatever the hell it is right now. Have you ever had contact with aliens? I'm not sure. I may have. I had a thing in my ear for 40 years. It was very hard. It was very painful. It kept shifting. And I went to be a doctor, and they thought I was nuts. I said, I think I may have an implant. And one day it was gone. I don't know. Okay, have a great birthday. Here's what he gave me. It's very cute. Now, I'm a little wary of this thing. It says positively alien. Oh, that's all I need, an alien virus. Okay, then a little cute little bag. This is a knitted alien. It says, positive alien. I may be a tiny alien, but I believe you're out of this world. Amazing. So very, very cute. Thank you, Billy. I love it. Yeah, it's really cute. Someone took a lot of time to make this, or I don't know if you can make this in the machine. So, alien that looks like he's got sunglasses on with, or Oreo cookies on for eyes. I don't know. All right, that's it for this one. Channel number is 1,562,919, 19,512 subscribers, and 72,679 fetch points. Pittsburgh unboxing coming tomorrow. Kathy coming tomorrow, maybe. I told her if you're not here by 2 o'clock, I'm leaving. I must go get food. And I could sure use the help moving all that stuff. It is so hot in here. It is 78, but it feels like about 90. Have a great night. Click the like button, join the channel, and subscribe where you see content not in the regular channel. Tomorrow, channel members will get a video of one of the 2 items coming. I have several items to post, but I'm just going to sit here and drink some. I knocked over the water. The iPad flew off the stand, and, oh, I forgot. I got some food here. I got a little bit of free food. Someone left a box, and other people went through it. So I got the remnants. Okay, there's a cookie. Now, I think I still have some hot dogs. I'm not sure. I have a hot dog bun. Very strange to leave a hot dog bun in the box. An orange. And a giant plastic bag to put some of this laundry in. There's another one that's got a partial hole in it. We have grape, blend, and apple juice. And put those in the fridge to get it cold. And if I do still have hot dogs, we have a piece of bread. And a different cookie. So, and I think there's one more thing here. I think it's another piece of bread. All right, that's it. So, mystery food here, and giant bag for laundry, and I'm going to eat a cookie. All right, let's see how this tastes. There's a place that delivers these gigantic boxes of meals with the plastic trays. I don't know how you get those. I tried to sign up for one. We'll get back to you. I'm still waiting. That was about 2 months ago. Food for seniors. So I don't know how the hell you get that. Okay. We have a brown cookie. Now we have a brown cookie. It fell on the floor. Great. Okay, let's see. I don't know what this is. Looks like it's got marshmallow in it or something. Might have raisins in it. It's okay. I don't care. I'm hungry. All right. Can't talk. There's cookie in my mouth. Have a great night. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Mama Cat is still in the kitty bed. She's enjoying the kitty bed. Have a good evening, people. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe, and watch the skies. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. See you later.